Welcome to Raji's Cooking Flavors. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a delicious side dish which many of them enjoy eating with roti, chapati or naan, that is paneer butter masala. So let's see how to go about making this delicious recipe. Let's get started. Into a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Also add 2 teaspoons of butter. Add 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped. Saute it till the onion becomes translucent. Add 10 red chillies. Saute it. If you want it spicy, you can add 15 of them. Add 6 garlic pods, 1 inch ginger. Saute it. Add 10 cashews. Add 3 medium-sized roughly chopped tomatoes. Add little salt. Close the lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. After 5 to 7 minutes, you can see that the tomatoes are cooked and are soft. Cool the mixture and transfer it into the blending jar. Grind it into a fine paste. Into a jar, add 50 grams of Khoya and 50 ml of milk. Blend it in a mixer. Keep it aside. Add 2 teaspoons of butter into the same pan. Add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Saute it till the onion becomes light brown in color. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of Jeera powder, half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Saute it. Add the grinded mixture into the kadai. Add water to adjust the consistency. Add 2 teaspoons of milk cream. To give a rich taste, add the blend of milk and Khoya mix. Mix it thoroughly. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar or jaggery. Add paneer cubes. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid. You can see that the oil separates at the top. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Kasuri methi. Handful of coriander leaves. Mix it well. Our tasty paneer butter masala is ready to be served. Tips for the recipe: using 4 to 5 teaspoons of butter and Khoya blended in milk gives a rich taste for the recipe. Cook paneer for 10 minutes on low flame till the oil separates. Thank you for watching. If you liked the recipe, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more awesome recipes. Share it with your family and friends. Do not forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. I will be back with a new recipe in my next video. Until then, take care and have a good day.